If I had no clothes at all in my wardrobe, these are the only 8 essential clothing items I would get to build versatile, elegant and stunning outfits for any occasion. Let's get started. One of the most important rules to follow to simplify your wardrobe is to have much more tops than bottoms. Why? Because your upper body is always in the person's view. So even if you wear the same bottoms every day, but you change tops every day, it looks like you have a new beautiful outfit every day. On the other hand, even if you keep changing bottoms every day, but you keep tops the same, it doesn't really have so much impact and it looks like you have fewer options and you keep wearing the same outfit again and again. Now let's look at these 8 clothing items, 3 pairs of shoes and 2 bags that I find the most versatile and stylish for an everyday elegant look. This number of items will take the minimal amount of space in your wardrobe, but I promise you, you will look elegant and chic every day. So today we will need a white button down, a black turtleneck, a red sweater, a dressy sleeveless blouse, a suit that will have a blazer and tailored trousers, a pair of jeans and a miniskirt. A total of 8 items. You will also need black pointed toe flat shoes, shoes with a small comfortable heel and a pair of dressy sandals, one small bag, and one bigger bag for your laptop and work stuff. All these items can be easily mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. I guarantee you will look put together and stylish every single day without much effort. You simply can't mess it up. For the first round of looks, let's take a white button-down shirt, a black turtleneck, and tailored black trousers from our suit. You can wear a black turtleneck with black trousers to create a monochromatic look. You can also wear a crisp white shirt with black trousers for a more professional boss lady look. Roll up the sleeves to show your wrists, the thinnest part of your arm, to add this feminine touch. Or you can even layer a white shirt on top of a black turtleneck paired with black trousers. For the shoes, you can choose comfortable pointed toe flat shoes in a neutral color. I chose black ones. The pointed toe design gives a more refined and sophisticated look. Also visually elongates your leg. Here you go. Now you got 3 outfits. Now let's add a sweater. I always recommend buying one high quality sweater and taking care of it. Don't buy polyester sweaters. They don't do anything great. They don't look that good, they are not durable, and they also start looking pretty bad after 5 washes. Plus, they don't keep you warm at all in colder seasons. Buy one cashmere or wool sweater and your understanding of quality will change completely. They regulate body temperature effectively, that makes them perfect for layering in various climates. Cashmere and wool fibers are known for their durability and long-lasting quality. Please make sure you never wash your cashmere and wool sweaters in your washing machine. It will destroy them completely from the first attempt. I have this lovely wool sweater. I have it in red color just to add a pop of bright color to our outfits, but you can choose any other color you like. We can wear the sweater with the same black trousers during colder months and have a 2-color outfit. We can also throw it over the shoulder on top of our black monochromatic outfit. Or we can layer it on top of our professional white and black outfit, and now you have 3 classic timeless colors in one outfit. I really like this idea of the sweater over the shoulders. It just looks so much chic and elevated in my opinion. You got 3 more outfits. The 5th piece we would add is a black blazer from the suit. Now you can wear a full suit with a white shirt. This outfit exudes timeless sophistication and elegance. The suit provides a sleek and polished look, while the crisp white shirt adds a touch of refinement and versatility. You can also wear a full black suit with a black turtleneck for a total black look. And don't forget about our red wool sweater. It will match here also, and you can just throw it over the shoulders. Now you got 4 more outfits. Now let's stop for a second. We used only 5 items from our list and we already got 10 interchangeable stunning outfits. Now let's replace our black tailored trousers with jeans for a more casual look. Most likely jeans will not work for a professional office outfit, but it will definitely work for some other occasions like meet up with your girlfriends, weekend activities or some other social events. By the way, I completely forgot to introduce bags. We have a lighter color small bag and a bigger, more professional burgundy bag. Try to keep the color scheme the same. It will be just much easier to mix and match, especially at the beginning. With jeans, we will use the same idea. Jeans will go well with the white shirt. In this case, I will change the black shoes to the lighter color shoes, because black shoes will overpower the white color shirt. Or I will add a black belt and keep the same black pointed toe flats. Lighter color bag will work perfectly for this outfit. You can also add a red sweater over the shoulders. Or you can add a black blazer on top. In this case, you can go with heel lighter color shoes or with black flat pointed toe shoes. You can wear a bigger burgundy bag to add a pop of color to any of these outfits. You can also wear a black turtleneck, jeans, black blazer and a sweater. I would not go with the lighter color bag in this case. I think the burgundy one works much better. Here you go, we added 4 more outfits. Now we have 3 more items left. A blue skirt, a sleeveless blouse more on a dressier side, and strappy sandals. We like going on dates and having evenings out, so we definitely must have evening party outfits. For the first outfit, we will take a sleeveless shirt and black tailored trousers. We will add a belt, statement earrings and strappy heeled sandals. This is the perfect classy outfit to go for dinner with your boyfriend or to visit a ballet, opera, concert or any evening social event. Make sure you don't carry a big bag after 6 p.m. It's not considered appropriate. For the evening, it's better to choose a clutch or a smaller sized bag. For a casual dinner idea with girlfriends, you can wear a white shirt, blue miniskirt, lighter color heels and a shoulder bag. Very cute and elevated at the same time. If you want to go bold and prefer sexier outfits, you can wear a blue miniskirt, a sleeveless blouse and strappy sandals, and add a blazer on top. Now we got 3 more evening outfits on our list. And now the moment of truth. We got 17 different outfits from only 8 pieces in our wardrobe appropriate for any occasion. This is exactly what you need to consider the next time you shop. You don't really need to have a lot of clothes to look great and put together. You just need to shop wisely. And you can use this video as a reference. By the way, you can go with any other neutral colors you like navy blue, beige or brown. I hope you found this video helpful and let me know in the comments below which outfit you like the most. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you would like to become a more elegant version of yourself. And I'll see you in the next video.